Welcome to Östersund. This morning I got woken up by a pretty harsh winter storm, and it just so happens I have to do groceries today. So I thought I'd drag you along with me and experience some good old Nordic weather. Warm and ready. Of course, using a canvas bag. Here we go. Let's see how bad this actually is. It's snowing a bit, but not too bad. It's kind of cold. Snowstorm is kind of known for being very windy. I guess it's close enough to the mountains to get some proper mountain winds, and it's by a big lake, which usually means a lot of wind as well. But yeah, we'll see. Actually running up the street here. So yeah, windy enough for sure. But yeah, we're getting close to the grocery store now. I'll just show you what I'm shopping for, and we'll head back home. Yeah, I realized I was out of shampoo as well, so we'll fix that. And some local milk from Norrmejerier. It's produced around here, and I like a bit of cloudberry for my breakfast. So yeah, the storm is picking up a bit, but I'm done shopping, and we'll just see how bad it gets on the way home. The shop up ahead has some action going on. This is my wrist holding trick. I can also just do it like that. It means far less weight on my fingers. My nose is getting a bit frozen. Yeah, slippery too. Man, I'm getting winded. It snowed a bit today actually. You can see it on the ground when I walk at least. And the car just made these tracks. Finally back inside. I got my groceries, survived the snowstorm. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it a bit, and I'll see you next time.